Welcome. Today, we're going to show you how to achieve the iconic Starboy aesthetic in just a few simple steps. So, let's dive right in. 1. Embrace the monochrome. The Starboy aesthetic is all about sleek and modern looks. Stick to a monochrome color palette, mainly black, white, shades of gray and shades of blue. 2. Rock the leather. A Starboy outfit is incomplete without an embellished jacket. Leather jackets are a staple of the Starboy aesthetic. Pair it with a plain white or black t-shirt for that effortless cool vibe. 3. Upgrade with accessories. Accessorizing is key to nailing this look. Opt for chunky silver or gold chains, statement rings, and a pair of sleek sunglasses. It adds that touch of swagger. These eye-catching details will take your outfit to the next level. 4. Sneakers, sneakers, sneakers. Complete your outfit with a pair of stylish sneakers. High top or low top, black or white, the choice is yours. Just make sure they're clean and fresh. 5. Confidence is everything. The Starboy aesthetic is not just about the clothes, it's about owning your style. Think graphic tees, band shirts, and hoodies with unique prints. And that's a wrap, folks. You're now ready to rock the Starboy aesthetic. Remember, it's all about embracing the monochrome, leather jackets, accessories, sneakers, and most importantly, your confidence. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.